We have partnered up with APS, Earthworks, and Manzanita Landscaping to fill these planter boxes. And all of our third grade classes, they're starting out with a lesson about pollination and the importance of planting and learning about growing our own fruits and vegetables, as well as plants are needed for bees to survive and for really the whole life cycle and biology to take place.
So what can pollinate a flower?
Bee. Then the kids are welcomed out here by all of the APS workers to then plant all the flowers and vegetables in their we have 2 planters per classroom.
Some of the pollinating plants we put in were a lot of the vegetables, the tomatoes, as well as some red flower and yucca we're going to be doing by the front door. The flowers are just more for color. You know, a lot of them are perennials, so they're going to come back every year. And then the next third grade class next year will get to enjoy that as well.
I hope that they go home and be like, Mom and Dad, let's plant a garden because it's the right time. And also just biology, the life cycle of plants, that's a big standard and focus in the third grade. They're learning all year long becomes real life learning, and also they are making a lasting legacy here at Del Rio School, because third grade we go all the way up to 5th grade, so as 5th graders they can come back to their garden that they got to start and see the growth that they planted.
I actually live the first house down the street on the right, so I get to drive by every day when I go to the grocery store to get gas and you know, kind of admire what my department was able to do for Chino Valley.
It's hard to make learning come to life sometimes, and we are so grateful for partnerships here in the community to join us and to make our community beautiful.